welcome back to my channel, Maz777 Naturals, and today I have another guest. This is Deborah, known as Debbie, my good friend and client, and we're going to talk about today double-headed dragons on Locs. Now, you've still got some double-headed dragons, haven't you?
I have.
How long have you had your Locs for?
About 17 years.
So she's had her Locs the same time as me. Did I start mine first?
Yeah, I think you did.
Yeah, I started my Locs first by my friend Tasha. She started both our Locs, and I am maintaining her Locs now. So in the start of my journey, I used to double up the thin ones, but unfortunately, I say unfortunately because I like my Locs to feel full, I cut off my double-headed dragons, and I wish I didn't. So I just wanted to know from you guys, as any of you, so you can answer in the comments below at the end of the video, how many of you have cut off your double-headed dragons? And if you don't know your double-headed dragons, I'm going to show you on Deborah. Let me see if I can find yours. Where is it? So basically, is that one? Am I trying that one? This is, you have to come closer, Deb. So, where's that double-headed dragon? So basically, a double-headed dragon is like this. There it is. There it is.
There's one there too. Look. There. Look. That's a proper good one.
Oh yeah. So can you see that, guys? This is a double. Let me move this out of the way. This is a double-headed dragon. So what I used to do, I would snip one of these off, and if I knew back then what I knew now, I would not. I would just leave it alone because it adds more volume to the hair. And what I used to do, I used to just 2-strand twist like this all the way down to the end. Oops. And then I would basically come closer there. See that 2-strand twist? I would basically weave the thread in between this and leave it to sort of merge together. Then eventually it would form into one lock, and then you'd have a stronger, because you've got the 2 locks joined together, you'd have a stronger base, then you have the lock at the end, so it would just be one lock. So that's what I would do with my hair. I would join them together. But Debbie's got about 3 double-headed dragons. And also I do on her is the braid technique. I used to do the interlocking, didn't we?
Yeah.
I used to interlock some of her, because she's got really soft hair. I used to interlock them, but I find that they were thinning it out. So now what we do is the braid technique on her hair. So she's got all these bits at the back, which they don't really belong to any lock. So what we do, we just braid them. For instance, this. You see, they turn around there. Let me just. Here's my hairband to hold it. I'll just put the hairband in. So you see this loose hair here. Any loose hairs what she's got here, I would basically braid them into this lock here. So I'll just catch those hairs and just braid them loosely. If you click above, you will see that video of how I do the braid technique, which I'm sure a lot of you know by now. So that's what I will do. So all the loose hairs, what was around this original lock, is now braided in. You don't need to do any interlocking, you just braided it in. And what I'm gonna, the bun video, I did that, the lock bun, I will put that video up above as well. The lock bun, I actually did it on Debbie's hair, so I'm gonna show you some pictures, should be coming up in the next clip, that way. And then you'll see how I did the lock bun on her hair. So yes, so basically double-headed dragon. What would you do about the double-headed dragons?
No, it makes sense to keep them, to be honest, because if you've got soft hair, there's a tendency for them to be very weak, so it strengthens them, in my opinion. Yeah, I think it does strengthen them.
Yeah.
So I'd definitely keep them.
So I would keep them. So guys, let me know in the comments below whether you would keep the double-headed dragons or not. If you have, let's say, a really thin base on your locks and you've got 2 fat locks, then obviously I would cut one. Would you?
Yeah, I agree. Definitely.
Yeah, because as the locks grow, it will get heavier. So if you've got like, you'll put pressure on the roots. So if you've got like a really skinny root, then you've got like a thick lock, then obviously I would cut it off.
Yeah.
And then when it grows, it's not going to add too much weight on the lock. So yeah, I would do that. But if it's just like smaller locks like these, definitely would keep them. I'll just twist them. Even you don't really have, look, this is a double-headed dragon. So it's joined there. You see how the root is all one size. So it's not really skinny and it's not really fat. So this is a perfect example of a double-headed dragon. Can you come close a bit? See that? So I would just leave that. I wouldn't even, do anything. Yeah. Just leave it because it's fine as it's been, like this for a while. So yeah, so Debbie started her locks with 2-strand twists, and I've been maintaining them ever since. So I'll try and post a couple of styles what we've done, isn't it? Yeah. Anything you'd like to add to Debbie?
No.
She's normally more chatty than this.
I am, but my first time on screen.
So this is her first time. You might see more of her. She's also on the fitness after pregnancy, because Nikel's obviously her daughter. So if you want to watch that video, click above. And we're going to come back with that, aren't we, soon?
We are.
Because when Nikel had a little operation, as I told you guys before. So that should be coming up soon. And do subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yes.
And
I have.
She's subscribed. She had to. She subscribed. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be notified of my up and coming videos. So we are going to end this video here because it's getting dark.
Yeah, and I'm hungry.
And she's hungry. We had a beautiful day today. So stay blessed. Stay beautiful. And stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.